Welcome to the top best. The best Pintura Para Ropa Permanente is probably one of the most versatile and creative tools available for anyone looking to personalize their wardrobe, offering a fantastic way to breathe new life into old garments or design unique pieces from scratch, allowing for endless possibilities in artistic expression and fashion customization, making it an essential item for DIY enthusiasts and fashion-forward individuals alike who want to stand out from the crowd with their own signature style. Number 5. Overseas Paint Marker Pens, 24 colors. Unleash your creativity with our premium paint marker pens. The opaque ink is waterproof, lightfast, and quick-drying, ensuring your art lasts. Enjoy vibrant, odorless, and non-toxic colors for all your projects. These versatile markers are perfect for a wide range of materials. Use them on rock, ceramic, wood, plastic, fabric, glass, metal, and so much more. The durable medium tip provides a smooth and precise writing experience. They are ideal for detailed arts, crafts, and DIY projects. This set includes 24 vibrant colors to bring your imagination to life. Each pen is individually packaged to prevent leaks and ensure quality. We guarantee reliable performance with rigorous testing. Purchase with confidence, knowing our customer support is here for you 24/7. What we like? If you're looking for a versatile paint marker that works on almost anything, this is it. Its quick-drying, waterproof formula makes it ideal for projects on metal, wood, plastic, and even ceramics. For crafters who enjoy diverse projects, this set offers a wide range of colors to bring any idea to life. What people say. The paint is permanent and doesn't fade after washing. It works well on different types of fabric, including cotton and polyester. The colors are vibrant and true to the swatch on the bottle. Number 4. ARTISTRO 24 Fabric Markers, Fine Tip. Introducing our set of 24 fabric markers, featuring a precision 1mm fine tip. This allows you to create intricate details and designs with ease on any fabric surface. Experience bold and vivid colors that stay vibrant over time. These markers are designed to resist fading and withstand repeated washing, ensuring your artwork remains fresh. Our special ink formula dries quickly on fabric, preventing any unwanted bleeding. This means clean lines and crisp designs every time you use them. Achieve permanent results that last. Once applied and heat set, your designs will endure through countless washes, keeping your creations looking their best. These markers are incredibly easy to use, making them perfect for artists of all skill levels. They are even great as fabric markers for kids, bringing fun and creativity to everyone. Whether you're decorating t-shirts, bags, textiles, or canvas, these markers are your go-to solution. They provide a versatile and reliable way to personalize your belongings. What we like? If you need precision for detailed designs on fabric, these fine tip markers are your best bet. The non-bleeding ink ensures clean lines on t-shirts, bags, and other textiles, and they are permanent after heat setting. Choose these if you want crisp, professional-looking fabric art that lasts through washes. What people say. The paint is permanent and doesn't fade after washing. It adheres well to fabric and doesn't peel off. The colors are vibrant and true to the swatch. Number 3. Hippie Crafter Permanent Fabric Paint Kit. Discover a world of color with our extensive fabric paint set. It includes 24 vivid and rich shades, perfect for any project you can imagine. Enjoy long-lasting results that are safe for both the washer and dryer. Our paint won't peel or crack, ensuring your creations stay vibrant through wear and washing. Get your projects done faster with our quick-drying formula. It creates a permanent bond within 24 hours and fully cures in a week, allowing for immediate enjoyment. From cotton and denim to leather and linen, this paint works on virtually any fabric. Personalize your clothes, shoes, bags, and home decor with ease. Choose Hippie Crafter, a family-owned American business dedicated to premium art supplies. We are committed to quality and exceptional customer service. What we like? If you're looking to customize clothing, upholstery, or outdoor cushions, this acrylic paint set is a fantastic choice. It offers a wide array of rich colors that are fully machine washable and dryer safe, ensuring your creations withstand daily use. This is perfect for those who want durable, vibrant fabric art on a variety of textiles. What people say. The paint is permanent and designed for clothing. It works well on fabric, providing a durable finish. The design allows for easy application and a clean look. Number 2. Hippie Crafter 26-piece fabric markers and pens. Introducing a vibrant set of 26 fabric markers and pens. Perfect for adding a splash of color to all your clothing and craft projects. These premium markers feature 26 vivid colors that lay down smoothly with minimal bleed. They are designed to stay bright and vibrant, even after multiple washes. Enjoy permanent color that is also machine washable. The rich pigments are ideal for everyone, from beginners to experienced artists, on clothing and crafts. Our water-based and non-toxic markers are dual-sided for ultimate versatility. Use the fine tip for detailed outlines and the round tip for thicker lines or blending. These artist-grade markers work beautifully on cotton, canvas, denim, leather, and more. Decorate your favorite jeans, shirts, shoes, or jackets without needing heat setting. As a family-owned American small business, we are dedicated to providing premium art supplies for free-spirited crafters. Experience exceptional quality and customer service. What we like. If you love flexibility and ease of use, these dual-tip fabric markers are ideal. With both a fine tip for details and a round tip for broader strokes, they offer great versatility. They are permanent and washable without needing to be heat set, making them perfect for quick DIY projects on clothes, shoes, and canvas. What people say. The paint is permanent and designed for clothing. It works well on fabric, providing a durable finish. The design allows for easy application and detailed artwork. Number 1. Shuttle Art Fabric Paint Set. Unleash your creativity with 18 brilliant colors. This set includes everything you need, like brushes, a palette, and fun stencils, to bring your textile art to life. Our paints are designed to last. They stay vibrant through countless washes and wears, ensuring your creations look great for a long time. Perfect for any fabric project you can imagine. Use them on t-shirts, shoes, bags, and more, whether the fabric is light or dark, natural or synthetic. Create with confidence. These paints are certified non-toxic and safe for artists of all ages, so you can focus on your art. We're committed to your happiness with our products. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. What we like. If you're seeking a complete fabric painting experience with vibrant colors and helpful tools, this set is for you. It includes paints, brushes, a palette, and stencils, making it perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. The soft, permanent, and non-toxic formula is great for all ages and various projects like t-shirts and bags. What people say. The fabric paint is permanent and doesn't fade after washing. It works well on various types of fabric, creating a durable design. The paint has a good consistency, making it easy to apply for detailed artwork. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.